If your Vaillant boiler is displaying an F.32 fault code, don't panic. This is a common fault found on many Vaillant Ecotech boilers and is usually related to the fan or airflow system. I'm Michael from BeFix, gas-safe registered engineers covering London and surrounding areas, and in this video, I'll explain what the F.32 fault means, what causes it, and what can be done to fix it. So, what does the F.32 fault actually mean? Before your boiler can ignite safely, the fan must start and create the correct airflow through the combustion chamber and flue. The boiler constantly monitors the fan speed. If the fan is running too slowly, too quickly, or not at all, the boiler will lock out and display an F.32 fault code. In simple terms, the boiler cannot confirm that the fan is operating safely. One of the most common causes is a faulty fan. Over time, fan bearings wear out, electrical components fail, and dirt can build up inside the fan assembly. You may even notice unusual noises before the fault appears. Another common cause is a blocked or restricted flue. Leaves, debris, bird nests, damaged flue components, or even ice during cold weather can restrict airflow and trigger the fault. Electrical problems can also be responsible. Loose wiring, damaged connections, or a fault on the boiler's main PCB can prevent proper communication with the fan. So how does a gas-safe engineer diagnose an F.32 fault? We start by checking the flue for any blockages or damage. We then test the fan operation using the boiler's diagnostics and carry out electrical checks to ensure the fan is receiving the correct power supply. If the fan is faulty, replacement is often required. If the fan is operating correctly, further investigation into the wiring or PCB may be needed. As a homeowner, you can safely check that the external flue terminal is clear and try resetting the boiler once. However, if the fault returns, professional diagnosis will be required. The good news is that most F.32 faults are repairable once the root cause has been identified. If your Vaillant boiler is displaying an F.32 fault code and you need professional help, contact BeFix today. We're gas-safe registered engineers providing boiler diagnostics, servicing, and repairs across London and surrounding areas. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Call us on 0208 058 4241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your repair today. BeFix. Reliable, local, gas safe.